crumbled. The sky was grey. There was nothing to do and nothing to say. We were nearing the end of a dismal day, and there seemed to be nothing beyond. Then Daddy fell into the pond. Everyone's face grew merry and bright, and Timothy danced for sheer delight. Give me the camera, quick, oh quick, he's crawling out of the duckweed, clink. And then the gardener slapped his knee and doubled up shaking silently. And the ducks all quacked as if they were deaf, and it sounded as if the old drake laughed. Oh,